Please open the air or water switch firstly. Use the three-way syringe to use the water, air, or atomization. Please turn the handpiece commutator to left before using the high-speed handpiece and turn it to the right to use low-speed handpiece. You can acquire required air and water volume by adjusting regulator to the proper position. Please ensure the suction switch is placed on before using. Is high-volume external circulation suction incorporating clean airflow, maintaining optimum suction power. When used in conjunction with the handpiece, the water regulator is for adjusting both of handpiece and scaler. The current of scaler can be adjusted as your need. The curing time can be changed from 5 seconds to 40 seconds. You can choose the mode as required. Please ensure power is turned off after each treatment. Drain air out of the unit by placing on suction or three-way syringe and empty residue air and water via the drain valve on the rear of the unit. Empty clean water container and clean waste container. Remove the handpieces, scaler, and sterilize them for next use. Place all instruments on the holders and close to the unit.